Welcome or welcome back to another day of Art Journal April. So let's grab our art journals or sketchbooks or your junk journal and let's get creative for day 3 and the prompt of coffee art. So, for today, everything is about one of my favorite beverages and I really love to, besides drinking it, obviously, I love to make some art with it and make different pattern papers with coffee. I will leave a link to a tutorial for that and different ideas for different patterns in the description down below if you want to check that out after watching today's prompt. And I also decided to keep the down part of the coffee, so the more intense, colorful part, I guess, and just paint on my art journal spread as a base layer for today's spread while enjoying my morning coffee. I really had a lot of fun just making some lines with the paintbrush and doing some blotches and splatters on the page. I just like to use the leftover coffee kind of like watercolors. You can do a lot with it, and for now I decided to keep it like that. Here you can see 2 of the different patterned paper I made with coffee a while ago. This one that I will be using here. And this kind of effect was made with salt. It's really interesting to spill some salt on water-heavy materials like coffee or watercolors and so on. Check for the bleed through of the coffee. It's kind of okay, but that's why I didn't do as much on the one page, because I didn't want to ruin yesterday's drawing. So I decided to go back to one of my prepared coffee papers. Here I'm just using a napkin to get a bit rid of the excess water to make the drying faster, that we can go on with the creation process. But I really like how the salt is making this really interesting effect here on the other paper. But for that I need a way more wetter kind of page and everything. Like I said, I will leave a full tutorial in the description down below if you want to check out how to recreate this exactly, but for now I realized I didn't have the time to make it in the journal directly, so I decided to work with the paper and glue it in, also to kind of secure the page from yesterday, because this journal I'm working in isn't handling water material or wet material as well, so I had to compromise for that. And now I decided to add a quote onto the spread to make it more journally for the art journal part. I really like to incorporate some writing and words into my art journal spreads in a way. And I decided to kind of add something to the famous saying, "Don't cry over spilled milk," because it could be coffee. So that would be way worse. And then I just decided to play around with the fonts and the glued in pages, but this was kind of an afterthought, so here I'm a little bit struggling with getting the page at the edges again lifted up to paint underneath in a way. I hope it makes sense. Now I'm just coloring in the words to make them even pop more out of the spread. I'm really happy with how today's spread turned out. I love the 2 different textures we created with the coffee for today's spread and the bold graphic lines of the text. I think it kind of plays good off of each other to give the whole spread a nice vibe. So I hope you had some fun in your art journal or your sketchbooks for today's prompt of coffee art, and can't wait to see your beautiful creations. Thanks so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for day 4 of our art journal April challenge. Happy creating!